Alrighty guys, next morning here, man, it is freaking snowing out here. What the heck? Just look at the truck, dog. I had to get y'all a shot of this, man. This thing, it is freaking snowing. I'm looking like an Oreo right now. I'm out here in summer clothes and everything. But ooh, this thing looking so sick. Looking so sick. Big Oreo. I like it. Uh-oh. Ooh, got stuff back there too. Okay. Go ahead and go. We got her up early today. Go ahead, hop in your whip. Hop in that whip. Close the door. Back up a little bit. Back up a little bit. There you go. Oh, you all in the trees. Back up. This way. She said, I want to off-road, man. Where you going? You can't off-road. You got to back up. Push the button. Push this button right here. Push that one. Push it with your feet. Oh, you stuck? You need four-wheel drive. You need four-wheel drive, mama. Back up with your feet. All right, let's go. Let's roll out. Let's roll out. Let's go. Don't hit the curb. Good job. We sliding today, y'all. She need one with a little four-wheel so her little thing don't get stuck. It is the next day. Later on in the day, rather, man. Y'all know I had to pull up. Freaking looking rough as heck. But godly, it's time to cut this hair off and get to it, big dog. Alrighty, guys. Finally, next day here, man. The bike is done. The bike is done. I must have ran downstairs out of breath. All that, man. I was filming some stuff last night, so you guys be sure to tune in to that link in the description. If you guys want to learn how to bid on Copart, tune into that link right now. It's time to get this garage cleaned up and make some room for the blue bike, man. So let's get this thing going real quick. I'm freaking out of breath, dog. Got this thing all cleaned up. We got some room for the blue bike. Now I was gonna load up the truck and then go pick up that thing, but man, I want to ride that thing. It's freaking freezing, but I still want to slide. So let's throw on some warm clothes and go up to BBV. Alrighty, man, just pulled up to the BBV. Let's go see what this, ooh, pulling it on out. Look, let's flip it around. What's up, guys? Today's video is sponsored by your very own Everything's Regular Enriched Studies, the place to learn everything there is to know about Copart, from how to bid to figuring out what lots to look at, finding transport, how to profit off Copart, as well as scaling your sales up. Be sure to sign up today for your one-way ticket to success. Remember, never underestimate yourself, guys. Anybody can do this. Sign up for the class today. I did it, and you could too. Let's see what that thing looks like. Oh yeah, it look real good. This thing is nice. What's up, man? Got that thing on there. And looking real good. Oh, you about to wash him down? Okay. I can dig it. Gotta get all that oil and stuff off, man, but it's looking good and everything.
And it pinched the O-ring, so it was seeping out of it pretty good when I went to start it back up.
Right.
Out good. This is that vent kit.
Oh yeah, he was telling me. So what is that exactly?
It's this guy right here. I had to drill a hole into this. Inner primary.
Yeah, I think I did see a YouTube video like that.
Yeah. Yep, and it makes a vacuum in here.
Right, because
it wasn't letting any air get into there, and they suck all your oil from your primary right into your transmission.
Wow.
Yeah, So when I dropped your primary oil, it had like 3 ounces, like barely anything.
Yeah, right.
And then as soon as I seen that, I looked over there and I noticed it didn't have it. I worked at Black Hills Harley in Rapid City,
nice.
I did 100.
Oh yeah, so you already know, for sure.
Just rallied. I seen that, I was like, man, he should probably get that done.
Yeah, no, I'm glad you hooked me up, man. I appreciate it.
This guy right here, though, your cables, your wires are too short.
Right.
And that's why your throttle's kind of the way it is. And it's why it's sitting up a little bit higher than normal. Where it's sitting this way.
Yeah, like diagonal.
If you pull it this way, it'll pull the plug out of your starter and all this up here. So
right, okay.
It'll pull it right out.
So it was no other way to like solder that. It was just like tilted.
Yeah, it was the only way I could really get it to...
Get it without play. I get it. So this wraparound, man, you have to put this on or what? Because this kind of looked like weird.
It was the only way that it could fit in there like that.
So I figured you would have just drilled out the hose a little bit. Because that's what was the issue with me. That's when I was trying to put the wraparound on, it was like the hose was like a little bit short. That's why I was just like, they'll freaking drill it. But this look kind of different. This look like it's rubbing or something.
Yeah, and it is kind of a tight fit for this guy.
Yeah, it's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be at least lower. That's why this fender is a perfect fit. You don't need these brackets right here. If anything, we just got to drill out the hose of the fender a little bit more, because this bracket is making this whole thing like rub and look weird. That's the only thing I can say now, but I mean everything else looks cool, I guess.
Just around it, you know, because it's kind of is where it is.
All right.
And if I bring it down, it's going to be even tighter on the wheel. So I thought maybe our only option might be going with a little bit lower profile wheel,
right?
Or rubber.
You don't have one of those in stock, huh?
I don't.
What's this? Oh yeah, I got you, man. It's everything's regular. Yeah, on YouTube. You know, when you put the 23 on here, I did have like a worn tire, and that one was like barely like getting by. All right, so while Dan is getting our fender right, I'm gonna grab these bags and stuff out the car and put them things on the bike, man. Try to get that thing looking a whole lot better. Got our little side trim pieces, little oil piece, and our bags, baby. Alrighty, got that wraparound situated. Got the bags on there. Just got to put that oil cooler on, put the seat, pay for this thing, and we will be out of here, man. So let's get the last little things done on this joint now, shall we? All right, man. So we got that thing pretty much semi-wiped down, clean enough to ride at least. That thing is looking way better. Got our GoPro mounted up so you guys will get that footage, but golly, man, we'll get more into it after we ride it a little bit, man. I'm just super thirsty right now, but it does look really good, man. I love it, dog. Let's hop on this thing and get up out of here, dog. Bubbling right there. I don't know about that wraparound. to the crib. This thing is looking lovely. I love it, man. This thing is riding pretty good. Now, if I compared this to the red CVO, the red CVO is definitely faster, or torquier rather, than this one. The red one was a 110. This is a 107. And that one was a Screaming Eagle, and this is like the regular one. So I'm sure if this was a Screaming Eagle or something, it'll be a lot torquier. So that's why we got to get our cam and stuff and our 2-in-1 pipes and whatever, but it's looking good. The only problem that I'm seeing so far is that this fender is literally on the tire, man. On the tire, got to either adjust it or lift it up or something. I tried the risers on it, but it was literally way too high on it. So got this fender bubbling up now. Literally might have to do the fender all over again. Or take this stock one and throw that in the paint, because that one, it'll go right on there, no issues or nothing like that. So I don't know what y'all think though. I'm actually really digging it. Came out way better than I expected. The blues and everything actually look really good together now. I was concerned because they was like a different color blue at first, but I'm actually loving it, man. When you're on the road and everything, it just flows. Looks really sick, man. I'm loving it. Now, the ride, like I said, is a lot different than the CVO. It was a lot torquier on that one. On this one, it didn't feel as torquey. But like I said, I'm going to get the 2-in-1 pipes. Got to get a few more things. Got to get the little mirrors for this. It's just a few little things I want to grab on it. But pretty good looking bike. I'm digging it, man. What do y'all think about it, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. This thing is sitting sick, dog. Alrighty, guys. So, unfortunately, with the bike so complete, man, I'm just not satisfied with this fender rubbing. So I done already started unloosening it and everything, trying to readjust it and stuff like that. But I figure I'm just gonna trim out the hole a little bit so I can at least push it up just a tad bit, and we can have maybe that much more room. So we'll fish out this fender and grind it down a little bit. But other than that, man, it does look perfect. I love it. Alrighty, man, we got this fender back on. However, it is still getting stuck. So I probably got to go find a fender spacer that's not too high, because the one they had was literally had this thing sitting way up. I don't know if that one was 2 positions or not, but I don't know. That's where we're at right now, man. Either no fender or take that fender in, because I can even try that one right now, and I don't think it'll rub with this tire on. So we might even check that out real quick. All right, now I actually was just messing with it and got it a little bit better. That's definitely better than it was, that's for sure. Now I tightened it super tight so it don't get no worse than that, hopefully. But man, y'all know I have not got y'all no slow-mo clips in a while, but I gotta pig spit this engine bay up and stuff and get this thing all cleaned up, man. We'll probably leave that for tomorrow and just clean this thing all up thoroughly. But I am liking it, man. Go on a quick ride one more again, but it's all here. So alrighty guys, man, we done finally got some slow-mo of this thing. Got the fender adjusted a little better. Still want to try to drill those holes in the fender out a little bit more, so I might have to go to Harbor Freight later on or tomorrow morning to get those holes a little bit longer so we can pull that fender up a little bit more. The fender little spacer, or the fender extension rather, it's an extension that goes on here. They had one on earlier, but that thing had that thing looking horribly just ugly. So had them take it off. Either we'll figure it out, I'm sure we will, but you guys just see the blue and everything looks really good together. Loving the color scheme. Bags, we got that bracket, that black bracket on there. Everything is pretty much green. Got our black primary. Now I do need to pig spit this entire engine and everything like that, so tomorrow we'll work on that. But as for now, it does look good, man. I'm loving it, man. What do you guys think about the Harley? Let me know in the comments below, big dog. So that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We got the Harley back there. That thing is finally home, man. It's little few things we got to get done, but that will get done in no time. I'm just excited this thing is back with me, so we can ride it pretty much anywhere now. Once we get this fender situated, we'll be good to go, man. But let me know what you guys think about the bike in the comments below, dog. This thing is shining. Ooh, I'm loving it. All right, so I thought I was done. I actually talked to my boy Dre. He was like, bro, your fender is on there backwards. So it actually does move a little bit better now. Got that much more room. Sounds like it's still rubbing a little bit, and it might be literally just rubbing the nipple of the tire. But this is a brand new tire and do got a little bit more roll action than earlier. But golly, this thing is looking good. I did pig spit it up a little bit. So that engine literally looks that much cleaner already, man. I can't wait. I think I'm about to go slide right now. My girl just got back, so you know what that mean, dog.